Um, I'm not the father. I took a DNA test.
Okay.
The
Whoa,
last court
back up.
hearing.
Whoa, time.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
So if you'll raise your right hands, please. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So why do you think that I should set aside this acknowledgement of paternity?
Um, I'm not the father. I took a DNA test.
Okay.
The
Whoa,
last court
back up.
hearing.
Whoa, time.
Okay.
Who did the DNA test?
Drug screen compliance in Big Spring, Texas.
Okay, so this is a lab.
Yes, it's a lab.
Okay. As opposed to you went to Walmart and got something off the
No,
shelf.
I went.
Okay. All right. And when did you do this test?
I did it the month. I want to say a month after he was born. Or no, I want to say in the same month that he was born.
Okay. So you did it back in 2023.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Because I'm showing he was born in January of 2023.
Yes, January
Okay.
16th.
All right. And do you have a copy of that on
Yes,
like
I already
saved on
submitted
your
it.
device?
I submitted it to the courthouse. I mean, to the attorney general when we first opened the case. When she first opened the case, and
Okay.
she submitted one too. She
All
submitted a
right.
copy too.
Okay. Did y'all all go down together?
Yes.
Okay. So you're assuring me that it was actually got tested.
Yes, me.
All right. And the test thing that you sent to the AG's office, was it just a one page or was it?
One page, yes. The one
Okay.
page that we received.
All right. Okay. And what did it tell you?
That I was 0%.
Okay. All right. Do you want to call any witnesses?
Tracy's the only witness that I have. She was there.
Okay. Do you want to call her as a witness and ask her questions?
You can. I don't have questions for her.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else on that particular issue that you want to say?
No, it's not.
Okay.
No. Mm-hmm.
All right. Ms. Herrera, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You may put your hands down. So did you tell to this testing?
Yes, we did it a couple weeks after he was born. Me, Joseph, to the drug screen compliance
Okay.
in Big Spring, Texas. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
But again, they only sent you the one page result?
No, I believe there's two. I have it in my file as well. I have to go looking for it.
Okay.
If you give me a second.
Is it on your device?
It is actually on my device. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because you could, because if you can pull that up, you can share your screen and show it to me.
Yeah, let me see, because I have a lot of pictures. I'm going back to the year of 20. Oh, I can do years. Let's see. It was 23 because it was in his.
You won't say it was February.
No, it was in January. It was a couple weeks.
That's in the whole scheme of things. Those few weeks are not going to take that much longer to look through.
Sorry, I ended up going back to November and 21. Where is 23? March, February, January. Let's see.
While you're looking, Ms. Herrera, Ms. Trevino, do y'all have a copy of it?
I do have a copy, Your Honor. I have it open if you'd like me to share that.
Okay, if you would, please. Okay, is this what y'all are talking about right here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is there a second page, Ms. Trevino?
It just has that black box.
Okay. All right.
That's what we got from Miss Herrera's email.
Okay, is there any way to make it bigger?
Yes.
Okay, because
is that big enough?
Not really, but okay. Oh, okay, well, and Joseph were the only two tested. Okay. All right. Ms. Trevino, did you have any questions you wanted to ask either one of them?
I have some questions for Ms. Herrera. Can I stop
Okay.
sharing?
You may.
And Ms. Herrera, who do you believe is father?
Arthur Rogers.
Arthur Rogers?
Yes.
Has Mr. Rogers taken a DNA test?
Mr. Rogers is aware of the circumstances. Mr. Rogers knows that Mr. McCoy is on the POA and knows that the Attorney General will not help me or assist me due to Mr. McCoy being on the POA. That's what I've been told in the past. I have offered Mr. Rogers to pay for our own DNA test to establish. He will not. I've actually spoken to Rogers' cousin and mother, and they are not being very cooperative. The cousin was trying to help, but it caused some conflict. Mr. Rogers is refusing to do anything, even if I pay for it.
Okay, and did you send us any other DNA tests for any other men?
It was back for Aaron J. Hall. Mr. Aaron assumed that he was the biological father. He opened up his own child support case because he assumed that he was the father. So to, close that case out, we went ahead and pursued with the DNA test because he opened the case on his own.
Okay, so you did not believe he was the father?
No, Aaron assumed he was the father.
Okay, and so you have you always assumed that Mr. Rogers is the father?
After Mr. McCoy turned out not to be the father, yes, because I described everything to my paternity doctor at the time, and she informed me about the time frames and how things worked. And so, I assumed that Mr. McCoy, due to my doctor telling me that Mr. Rogers wouldn't have fit the time frame.
Okay. I'll pass the witness.
Okay. Ms. Herrera, is there anything else about the situation, about this particular issue itself that you want to tell me?
Not that I can think off the top of my head. I've been trying to get Mr. McCoy off the POA for a while, but it's just hard.
All right. All right. Here's the thing. It's not so easy as just to say, oh, he can come off. Okay. There's specific things I have to do that. Y'all have presented a DNA test result that is not admissible. Okay. But it does say it's not you. So that does give me an opening to order that the AG perform a new DNA test.
Mm-hmm.
You all show up, Ms. Herrera. You'll have to be drawn too. You all show up. You will still only get the one page. I will get the full report that has the Polaroid pictures that get taken and all this other stuff with it, so I can see who's tested. Okay, that's part of what makes it admissible. And once we get that, then we can then I can grant the challenge and get that set aside. But I need that first. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am going to order genetic testing. The AG's office will be in touch as to where you need to report and all that. If you'll please do it as quickly as they can set it up, then we can get this moving, and then we will get Mr. McCoy. I presume that everything was straight with the other one. I've had it where they weren't, okay, where they've taken another child. The neighborhood kid got tested, and oops, he's not the dad. Kind of things, which is why we have to jump through all these hoops. So we'll get that taken care of. We'll get the DNA result. We'll set aside the acknowledgement of paternity, and then we can start with Mr. Rogers. And if we have to do DNA testing for him, we'll do DNA testing for him. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But the family code is very specific about the steps we have to go through. So this was step 1. The DNA through the AG's office is step 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. Do you think you can have that done by January, Miss Trevino, or should we get, with the holiday, should we give it until February?
I would say February, just with the holidays. And can I ask them if it gets set up in Big Spring, in Odessa, would you all be able to make it there to get the testing done there?
Yes.
It could be anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
February 6th is our day.
Right. So we'll reset it to February 6th, 2026.
Okay.
It'll also be by Zoom, but it'll be a different Zoom number. So be
Okay.
sure to look at the 2026 order to get your meeting number. Okay.
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 And hopefully the AG's office will be giving the right one out. But, first of a new year, you never know. So 10 o'clock, when we always do this docket. Okay.